Now for US session, it's a little bit more complicated because it's different for some pairs. So for pairs that have a Asian currency, so that's the JPY or AUD, there isn't really any other Asian currencies that you trade. So JPY pairs, so GBP JPY, Euro JPY, USD JPY, or GBP AUD, Euro AUD. In US session, you need to be focusing on Asian session zones and US session zones. Just like in London, you'd be trading Asian and London session zones. In US, you'd be trading Asian session zones and US session zones. So that's for pairs that include Asian currencies, but pairs that don't include Asian currencies, so say Euro USD, USD CAD, GBP USD, you don't need to bother about Asian session zones. You just need to focus on US session zones, which is why it's so simple, really. This is probably the easiest one to trade, US session zones. So Euro USD, this is where you can bring in gold and silver. So Euro USD, silver, gold, these pairs, they have the same rules for zones. I'm showing you Euro USD right here. I'm going to show you loads of examples. I'm going to show you examples from gold and silver as well. Gold and silver are my favorite currency pairs. Maybe even above GJ. I trade them so much at the moment in US because it is so easy to trade. Trading is really not complicated when you actually know how the banks move the market. So I've just drawn on Euro USD here from recent times. And obviously US session is in pink. You can see just how easily these prices are rejected. So first of all, rejection, rejection, then came across, high, then rejection. These few days here, that was this zone right here, and then a break and retest of that zone right there. But this is pretty much just what zones each session you need to be drawing on the lower time frame. So you'll have your higher time frame bias, you'll then go over to your lower time frame zones and you'll look for rejections at these points.